Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, here we are at Thornton Le Dale Classic car show. Well anyway, bumped into this guy here. He has a V6 Capri and it's overheating, but I think it's the thermostat, so we're going to sort it out for him right now. Right guys, so you've had a little bit of problem with your Capri.
Certainly have. It's overheated just as we were coming into the showground.
Right, so what I think it is, there's a thermostat here. We're going to take this out for him. So we think it's stuck shut. Right guys, so we're having a bit of problem with overheating, so I reckon with it being a Ford, if I get my fingers in here, I'll take this thermostat out. Good job I cracked it off when it was warm. Let's just start to leak out now, can you see? Get in there now. So we'll lose a little bit of water when we take this out. But hopefully it's got one in.
Yeah.
Because if it hasn't,
Yeah.
then well, just hope you haven't blown your head gasket. Just let that run out of water. Can you see it?
That's it, coming out now.
And then hopefully this will get you back home. Is it Hull? Whereabouts in Hull?
Yeah.
In Hull?
Yes, yes.
Is that where everyone doesn't work? In Hull?
Well, it's everywhere, isn't it? But where we are, everybody works.
Oh, do they?
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
So you're from the posh part?
No, we're not posh by any means, but I left school at 15
Yeah.
on the Friday and started work on the Monday, and I went till I was 72.
Not like today's rabble.
Yeah, I just wondered if it was worth it.
Well, that's it, innit? You
Yeah.
see what's going on now.
Yeah, they're sat on the backside doing nothing and getting more than I am. And people that's not working from more holidays than I do.
I've opened a can of worms here, haven't I?
Yeah. You have. Yeah, but it's true.
All good entertainment.
Yeah.
Right, let's hope there's a thermostat in here.
I've got my fingers crossed.
And I'm hoping we may get away with not putting a new gasket on, otherwise I'll have to make a gasket out of a piece of cardboard.
Yeah.
So we'll just find anything that's floating around. I'm sure one of these store holders will have a bit of cardboard.
Over the other side.
Yeah. So this is what happens when you don't have a socket kit with you. Well, this is my first show with the Triumph stack since I've done the clutch.
All right.
That's why I brought a couple of little bits and bobs with me, just in case. Because when you have a classic car, you've got to have tools with you.
Or rely on other people that's got some.
Yeah. So, but like I say, get yourself a little socket kit.
Yeah. Well,
Listen to me telling you that I haven't even brought one of myself.
Yeah.
And just leave it in the back of the car.
I've got an electric one in the garage, so.
It's no good in the garage, mate.
No,
is it?
I'll have it in.
Yeah. No good in the garage.
Yeah.
God, how long is this hose? So here we are at Thornton Le Dale, and I'm fixing cars.
Enjoying your day out.
I'm enjoying my day out. Yeah.
Have you got the family with you?
No. That's it. It's going down anyway. Well, like I say, whatever you do when it's really hot, don't do what you did and undo that. It's a wonder you didn't scald yourself.
Yeah, I know that, but you know, I thought, it's
under high pressure.
Yeah, it's been going a while.
Oh, this is a long bolt, isn't it? Is there any stalls here or anything?
Yes,
I
there
don't
should
know,
be
there
over
was
There's
there.
some car stalls you may find a thermostat for this car.
I don't think there's any car stores.
Or if anyone's selling anything at the back of the car, they get a gasket. Next time, Jason, bring your socket kit with you. Still can't get it. Surely, that's it. Right, we're going to have a bet to see if there's is the one in there. If there isn't, you're in trouble.
Yeah.
Right, we'll move that out the way. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
The big unveil. Is there going to be a thermostat in there? Oh, aren't you lucky? There it is. There's your little problem. Oh, that'll be hot, that. There you go. You ready? I'm just going to put that there. Right, and just let that leak out. We get away with that, I don't know. Right guys, we've cleaned all that up. Right guys, this is what you should do when you're in trouble. Always carry like a little socket kit, a couple of little spanners, bits and bobs with you, spare fan belt, especially if you're driving a Ford Capri. Right, this is how you make a gasket if you want a little hammer. You put that on there like that. Okay, you get the hammer. And then you'll get the imprint of the gasket. Can you see? Right, so fold that around like that. So there's your print of the gasket. We'll hold that tight like that. Okay. Then you get the hammer.
There, I do the two little holes.
That's right. Another way. You should get them away just for now. Nice. And the other one should be. Find it. There she is. So there you go, guys. Sort of a little gasket made up. Right, it's got it. There you go. Just need a nail file. We'll clean this up. Even though this is very well and truly pitted, to do with a new one. But this should get them by. It's called making do. So here I am at a classic car show, fixing everyone's car. There'll be a queue behind me. Can you do mine next? Right, that'll do. What do you think then, guys? Do you think this is going to work? It's well and truly pitted that way. Is it going to work?
Fingers crossed.
I'm going to put that on there, just like that. Tell you what we'll do, just so we know we've got it in there. Just thread your bolt in first with the gasket on, in that way. And that's going to work. that back one.
Not many. Can't pinpoint one.
Started off with a row of 60.
Yeah. I've got one at home. I know exactly.
Well, let's just hope this is going to work. Started that thread there. Back one in there. Oh, you got a socket kit, you said, didn't you? 13. That says me messing about with.
Is that yours, John?
Never leave home without it.
No, I don't blame you.
My dad wrote after today.
So that's 14. 13. It's 13. Oh,
Is that it?
There we go. I'm more concerned about. Not too tight though. At least people who over tighten stuff. Right. It's on there. Just wiggle that back on there, just like that. Seven mil. 7. Just like that. You can always use one of these on these Jubilee clips. Right, that's nipped up. Thanks again for the guy who's holding the camera. What's your name?
John.
Right, John, thanks for lending the sockets. Right, let's top it up with water. Right guys, that homemade job he's done. That should work. Never get them all back together. Oh, well, that's them lot sorted out. It's always nice to help people out. That should get them back home anyway for now. Anyway, let's have another flaunch about. Right, there's the Triumph Stag, guys. Back with the clutch working perfectly. So this is Thornton Le Dale, over where something to do with Matthews, you know, the car auction place. Bangers and cash and all that. So let's check. There's a beautiful Capri. Don't see many of them anymore. 2.8 Toyota Supra. Very rare car. Yeah, we've got Magnum with us. Where's Tom Selleck? Is he about? Huh?
Maybe not.
Oh dear. It's a nice horse. The Thornton Le Dale Gala Show. That's nice. Oh, Palomino wants filming. Oops. It's just taking a dump. There's TR4. That's pretty cool. It's not as good as my Tahoe though. Check the Bentley. Here we are, Humber Scepter. Now I remember one of these because my dad had exactly the same colour one. 1966. Right guys, that's the end of the show. We're just on our way back now. The car's working awesomely. Gears work great. Car's running really, really well. I've really missed driving this Trim Stag. So yeah, it was nice to help the people out with the Ford Capri. I also managed to get a little Trim Stag going. He was having a little problem with his starter motor. I give his cable a little wiggle and then it was off. But anyway, that was a really good show, Thornton Le Dale. Tomorrow, I think, is Ripley Castle. See whether I'm bothered to go to that or not. But anyway, on that note,